In my previous video, I have explained how overthinking happens and how to stop overthinking. And I have shared a very powerful technique that can be applied to develop a skill to let go of unnecessary thoughts. However, I haven't explained what kind of thoughts to let go and how to recognize such unnecessary thoughts. So, to make this more clear, I have created this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is Maniraj Joshi and I post videos about various tools, techniques and skills that can be applied to raise your happiness level and peace of mind. So don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you don't miss something very important for your well-being. And in this video, I will explain what kind of thoughts are unnecessary thoughts, and more than that, I will explain and go deeper into what kind of thoughts are extremely harmful for your peace of mind and your happiness. So do watch the video till the end. Also like the video if you find it useful and share it with someone who you think can benefit from it. And let's get started. Unnecessary thoughts can be those thoughts that come out of your past experiences, bad memories, or future expectations, or some kind of regret out of the decisions you have made in the past. So in short, those thoughts that troubles you and you know that there is no point in dwelling upon them, or there is no point in overthinking about them, or there's no point in cursing yourself now for those things. For example, let's say someone broke your trust, or you broke someone's trust, or let's say you wasted some time of your life doing useless things in the past. So overthinking on such things will not fix them, but it will sure ruin your present. And some people have this habit. Some people wants to find reason and logic for everything. You don't have to find reason and logic for everything. You can simply let them go and choose peace for yourself. You choose happiness for yourself. Simply letting them go will not mean you are not smart enough to respond to those things. You are not smart enough. You are not strong enough to react to those things. It will not mean that. It will simply mean that you choose your peace over all those things. You choose happiness for yourself. You are smart enough to let them go. Now let's get a bit deeper into this subject. When overthinking has been your habit since so long and it has made its root deep inside you, and when overthinking crosses its limit, some extremely harmful thoughts comes to your mind, and most of these thoughts start with why questions. You are like, why does this happens with me? Why am I overthinking all the time? Why am I sad most of the time? Why am I not happy like other people? Why does this happen with me only? And when you have these questions on your mind, like why do I overthink? When will it stop? Why don't it stop soon? I don't like myself for this. I don't like myself for that. Why isn't it this way? Why is it that way? All these questions. And when you have these questions on your mind, you try to find answer. And when you find an answer this time you find an answer that is not consistent with the answer that you find previously. It means your answer that you have find this time is contradicting with the answer that you found the previous time. So what happens is, when your answer is contradicting, when you don't find a particular answer, when you don't find a consistent answer that can help you, you curse yourself for not being able to help yourself. And you start to say negative things about yourself, and you again start overthinking. And this way life seems more tough for you. Because of the habit of overthinking, or because of the effect of overthinking in your mind, you find different answer for the same question at different times. You find a different conclusion for the same incident at different times. For example, for the same incident, sometimes you feel like that's okay, that's acceptable, that's fine. Sometimes you feel like they shouldn't have done that to you, that's wrong. And sometimes you feel like you don't give a damn, you don't care. And sometimes you feel like people don't understand you. And because of these inconsistent conclusions, because of this inconsistent answer, you feel so messed up. And that causes even more frustrations, because you find your mind acting like a stupid. Understand that is not you. That is overthinking. That is the side effect of overthinking. You may react to some thoughts in such a way that might be harmful for your peace of mind. So that is the effect of overthinking. Let's understand this with an example. A man might act in such a way that creates trouble for his friends and family while he is drunk. But at the same time, the man might be the most gentleman in the group. So what the man does while he is drunk is the side effect of alcohol. The natural state of man is to act like a gentleman. Your natural state of being is happy. Your natural state of mind is peace, like a natural state of heart is healthy. Dust and pollution makes it unhealthier. So does the overthinking to your mind. So does the overthinking to the peace of your mind. So does the overthinking to your happiness.